This is if it is installed at the school level. I will need to enter the consumer ID and share secret every time. Uh, so I click here at materials, external tool, and then I choose turn it in. This choice is not available for teachers at any other schools but Golden West. And then just give my title, trial 2, and then this I have to keep entering every time I want to create an assignment. And then the consumer key is 118391. Share secret, I enter my share secret, and then I enable grading, give the due date, category is an assignment, and I click here, but then I will get a error message when I try to configure my assignments. It says we cannot find a valid email address for you. I don't know if perhaps because I'm not part of the Golden West or not.